Are you interested in the Ho'opili's newest development, Molehu, more specifically the Mahina model? So we're gonna walk through not only the floor plan, the walk through the property, but also the pricing. So stick around to get all the details. See you on the other side. All right guys, so like I mentioned in this video, we're gonna go over Ho'opili's newest project, Molehu, but more specifically, we're gonna walk you through their model known as Mahina. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1-car garage, just over 1,400 square feet with a price point of about $893,000. So let's jump on over to Ho'opili and walk you through this beautiful property. Okay guys, we are continuing our journey over in Molehu, one of the new developments over in Ho'opili, and we are here at Mahina. Now Mahina is very similar to Hoku in the sense that it has 1-car garage, but similar to Wena because it has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. So as you'll see on the inside, or excuse me, on the outside, you've got the carport and the 1-car garage. You can of course fit a couple cars in here, but what you'll notice is the extra bedroom, which is upstairs. So let's take a look on the inside. Now on the inside, we have 1,415 living square footage, very similar to the Hoku layout, but we're gonna have that extra bedroom upstairs. So on the inside, you'll see you walk in, you're invited by the living and dining room space. Of course, we have that 1-car garage, similar to the Hoku model, just on the inside right here, which with direct access to the living room space, which is very convenient. We also have that extra storage space, which is gonna be underneath the stairs. Again, storage is always a challenge with these smaller units, but you're gonna have some extra storage space down below. And again, reminds me exactly of the Hoku model. You're gonna have a very similar kitchen layout where it's almost like down a hallway, plenty of cabinet space, countertops, fridge right here, stainless steel appliances. Now keep in mind, some of these appliances will be an upgrade along with blinds, fans, things of that nature, but very, very similar to the Hoku model. As we swing through this way, you'll see you have access to the backyard. These are all CPR'd, so they're all gonna have that 0 lot line. And then you're gonna have that half bath right here. As well as the extra pantry or storage in this area right here. Now from the kitchen and the backyard access, that will flow into the main living area where we're just gonna have our 4 bedrooms and 2 baths upstairs. Now, as soon as you get to the upstairs living quarters, you'll see the first thing, which I love, turn this light on right here, is that you have the washer and dryer upstairs. As you already know, I'm a big fan of having the washer and dryer upstairs because that's gonna be the closest to the bedrooms where the dirty and the clean clothes go. As we go into this side, just to the left, we'll have another standard, looks like about an 8x10 guest bedroom. All the bedrooms have dual pane windows, and of course those split ACs, keeping us nice and cool in this Ewa and Kapolei heat. On this side, you've got the guest bathroom. It's gonna have that single sink and bathroom shower option. We're gonna have the next guest bedroom here. And again, like I mentioned before, these dual pane windows really do keep in the cool air, but more importantly, keep out the noise because we are right by the freeway, but I don't hear anything. Now, if we did open it up, again, this one's gonna be closer than the Hoku model we looked at. So it'd be interesting to see. There's a bit of street noise, but again, in the reality of the situation is that you are gonna keep these windows closed all the time because we're in Ewa and it gets hot out here. So I wouldn't be too concerned about that. Now, as we move backwards, and hopefully my camera guy doesn't hurt himself, we'll go into the other quarters of the house. And now again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So they really utilize the space well to get these bedrooms in here, especially if you have a larger family. This is probably the smallest bedroom. This looks like it's probably about an 8x8. You got your standard 2x5 closet. And then this will flow into where you've got some more cabinet space, maybe a media center, place to put books. But the primary quarters, and I say quarters because you can really feel it. As soon as you come through the doorway here, you've got a his and her sink. You've got a shower. I really like that you can separate the shower and toilet area from the sink, as we discussed before in the past. And additionally, as you walk into the primary quarters, you have a good size walk-in closet, and then a pretty good size, I would say probably about an 8x12 master or primary suite. And again, very quiet with those dual pane windows. Okay, now with this specific model, not only is it placed in a Pretty nice area where you actually get a lot of square footage in the backyard. You'll see that because it's on a lifted hill, you really don't see anything. So it kind of keeps some privacy from that road or highway that's actually located there, which is kind of a bummer, but you really don't hear much when you're inside. On the outside, I do hear some street noise, if I'm gonna be honest with you, but it does create a sense of privacy because you have these high fences. Now, generally by law, you can only have a 6-foot fence, but that's from where the property ends and where the hill is. So the hill itself is probably about 6 feet, and then you have another 6-foot fence there. So you actually do get a lot of privacy, which is really nice. All right, guys, so as you saw, this is a beautiful property, especially if you need that 4th bedroom. Under $900,000 for a single family home is insane, especially out here in Hawaii where the median sales price is just over $1.1 million. And that's not even for a brand new home. So this is a great option for you, especially with those amazing incentive rates that they have. If you use their in-house lender, VA loan 4.99 and under 5.5 or 5.25 for conventional when you use their in-house lender. So if you want to get connected with their in-house lender or have any questions specifically about this property, I'd be happy to assist you. I've got my contact information right here, or you can directly DM me on any of my social media platforms. With that being said, I'm Patrick with PatrickLongRealty.com, powered by eXp Realty. Hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Aloha.